Welcome to Taiko Guide, the only app designed to help you navigate your college and career journey in the quickest and most affordable way. This podcast is brought to you by EdTechity, dedicated to opening doors to higher education and career opportunities for all.
What's up, everyone? This is Professor G, and here's a pro tip for you on how do you start a California community college. So what you need to do is go to CCCApply.org, create an account, and then choose a community college to submit an application to. Once you submit the application, you should receive an email within a few hours with your student ID number. If for whatever reason you don't receive your student ID number, you need to contact the community college directly and request your student ID number. And that's usually done through the admissions and records office at the community college. You can get their information by going directly to their website and looking up admissions and records.
Thank you for tuning into Taiko Guide, the app focused on bringing you tools and content to help you make better decisions about school, life, and career. We hope this episode has inspired you to pursue and excel in your own educational and career journey. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share.